Hey guys, it's Josh with Airsoft Out Squad. Today we've got an Evike unboxing. So now it's time to open the box from evike.com. Paper. More paper. A box. Let's set the camera down. I'm going to cut into this. WE Glock lower. Couple pistol grip things. WE Glock 18C upper. Magazine. And then here's the Glock itself. And it's nice. I've been waiting for this gun to arrive since last Monday when I ordered it. With a nice gun. Very nice magazine. So yeah, now I'm gonna go do a shooting test. Now it's time to fire my new WE Glock 18C. I just finished unboxing it like 2 minutes ago. I had to load up the magazine with propane and BBs, so here goes. Fully auto. That's awesome. I can tell you right off now, I love this gun. I recommend it, although I don't know how well it is because I've only shot one magazine through it right now. But yeah, I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.